Hey, what's up everyone? This is Tomer, the co-founder of the Digital Reach platform, and today we're going to go over on how to create custom conversions on Facebook. So first, you want to log into your business manager page, which it would take you right here, right? So you see the create and manage, here's business manager, you want to log in. So normally, right, you would click on these three lines up here, then go all the way to measure and report and click event manager. It'll take you to this page right here where I currently am. And you can see here, right, under my data sources, I already have a pixel installed. And you can see on my pixel, right, I have 183 total events, and my top events so happen to be page views, right? I haven't really messed around with it too much. It doesn't really bother me. I just want to see the page views. And you can see, there you have the little activity, right? So you have the little chart over here going, showing you how many on each day, how many events. And you can see last received, right, 3 hours ago. And you can change this, right? So it says last 7 days. And so right below it, you can see offline events, which is, you can measure real world results. And you can see below that app events, measure app activity and outcomes. Now, for this tutorial, we're only just going to go over custom conversions for, based on your website traffic, right? So that's majority what people are looking for anyways, right? So if somebody gets to a certain landing page, right, and converts to that, you want to know. And so the first thing you're actually going to need is to install your Facebook Pixel, right? And there are tons of YouTube videos that go over it. I will probably create one myself, but you'll need to have your you'll have to have your Facebook Pixel installed. So first, like I said, we're in the data sources, and you want to click custom conversions. Click that. And here are the custom conversions, right? So you can see I have two of them. One is my contact form landing page, and the other one is my contact form submissions, right? So you can see here, right? So during the last 7 days, the people who reached my landing page has been 11, and the people who have actually submitted has been 7, right? And you can see, the events going on over here and over here, right? So what you need to do, right, to go through this, and we'll go through each step, right? So I'll show you quickly on this one, then I'll quickly show you the difference between the two. It's not too different, right? So this is my contact form landing page, right? You can add a description, a conversion value. So if you have a subscription you're selling, let's just say for $80, right? You want to put that $80 here, because then when you run your Facebook ads, it will actually give you the value or the ROI on each thing sold, right? So it's going to tell you how much money you've made through your ads. So this is great. And ignoring subscriptions, you can do, like, if you're selling a shirt for $20, you put $20 right here, and that's all you need, right? And in this case, we're only doing the view content aspect of it. So I don't really need to save anything. Activity, right? So you can definitely tell it's active, and we're going to show how to make it active. Once again, you can see the conversions received in the last 7 days. It's 11. And you see here, right? So it says 15 form landing pages from April 1st to the 13th. And you see here, right, my source is my Digital Reach platform Pixel. And under it, it says include all URL traffic where URL contains contact, right? So that's just one example, right? The next one, we're just going to go up here to my contact form submission. And everything's exactly the same except my category changed, right, to a lead. Because anyone who submits this is going to be will be considered a lead. And we're going to create, I'm going to show you how to create it, but I'm just going over quickly what I currently have, right? And you can see, how many people I have had since the 1st to the 13th. And down here, include all URL traffic where URL contains contact, thank you, right? So you can see here, by the way, the two are going to be contradicting, right? So I would actually have to tweak this ad right here, because it's probably taking in consideration my contact form submission here. So it might actually duplicate, right? And I don't want that. So we'll change that. I can change that another time. So this is all you have to do to create a custom conversion. You go over here in the top right corner, click that, create custom conversion. After that, you'll get this pop-up up here. And so it says here, this is Facebook's definition of the custom conversions. Custom conversions allow you to measure unique activities and optimize your ads for the events that matter most to your business. So you create a custom conversion by applying rules to the existing events. So we're not going to really go through there's actual event tags that you can put on your website. Like I said, this is just a simple custom conversion on getting people to, after they purchase something or after it takes you to a thank you page, right? So for this instant, I want to put the URL. So I'm going to do the same exact example, right? So I want it to actually equal, right? I want it to equal because there's not going to be anything else. I'm going to take, it's going to be contact. So it's going to be backspace contact. Thank you right there, right? And you can add multiple rules to it, right? But in this case, I don't really need to, and I want it to equal this, right? So if it contains something else, it's not going to register. I want it to only, do contain this, URL. And like you can also change it, contains, doesn't contain, equals. Usually, if you do doesn't contain, it's you can exclude, some URLs. I'm going to name this conversion DRP thank you page example, right? Select this category, right? So you have all of your categories right here. So add payment info, add to cart, add to wish list. So if you have a website, you're selling something, right? You can have each event, right? So if somebody gets to a product, right? That would be, or sorry, not product. If someone adds something to your cart, right? You do here, add to cart, right? You can have one for donating, find location, initiate checkout. But in this case, we're only doing it to, and you have multiple, by the way, submit application. We're just doing lead. We're just calling this a lead. And I have no value for this. But like I said, before, if you need to add a value, you can easily add a value without issue. You can even edit it later on if you change your pricing or whatever you need to change. All you do afterwards is click create. And you can see here, the DRP thank you page example is currently active. It says last received 1 minute ago. And that's all you have to do to really, get the custom conversion active. The activity is low volume because we just started it. But yeah, that's all you need to do. If you like this video, please leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. We're going to be doing more of these. So until next time, I'm signing off.